Good morning. So latest market news, I am Uliana. Asian stock markets are exhibiting a mixed trend on Wednesday following the negative lead overnight from Wall Street and amid concerns about the outlook for China's economy. Meanwhile, higher crude oil prices and upbeat corporate earnings helped boost sentiment. Nevertheless, investors are trading cautiously ahead of the release of minutes of the US Federal Reserve's latest monetary policy meeting later in the day. The minutes are likely to be closely analyzed for hints regarding whether the Fed will begin raising interest rates at its next meeting in September. The Australian market is higher on some better than expected corporate earnings and the overnight increase in crude oil prices. In late morning trades, the benchmark ASX 200 index is 1.27%. US crude oil climbed off 6-year lows to end sharply higher Tuesday, ahead of the official weekly crude oil inventory report on Wednesday and some upbeat economic data from the US, with housing starts in July rising to an 8-year high. Crude oil futures for September delivery, the most actively traded contract, jumped $0.75 or 1.8% to settle at $42.62 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange Tuesday. In the currency market, the Australian dollar is lower against the US dollar on Wednesday, weighted down by volatility in the Chinese stock market and chances of an imminent interest rate hike by the US Federal Reserve. In early trades, the local unit was trading at $0.7343, down from Tuesday's close of $0.7347. Wednesday is another slow day for economic reports, although the release of minutes by the Federal Reserve for the previous policy meeting will be widely read as the market considers the odds for a US rate hike next month. US Consumer Price Index 12:30 GMT. US inflation has remained well below the Federal Reserve's 2.0% target, and today's update on consumer prices isn't going to change the trend. As for today's inflation update for July, the headline Consumer Price Index is expected to tick down to a monthly rise of 0.2%, according to Econoday.com's consensus forecast. That would mark the lowest monthly pace since April. It was the latest market news read by Aiko at X. Goodbye.